In 1901, Greek sponge divers discovered a shipwreck near the island of Antikythera. Inside the wreck were statues, bronze fragments, and a strange lump of metal. At first, nobody thought the corroded pieces were important, but years later, researchers noticed tiny gears hidden inside the metal. This was not an ordinary object. As scientists slowly reconstructed the fragments, an astonishing truth appeared. The device had been built nearly 2,000 years ago. Today, it is known as the Antikythera Mechanism. Inside were more than 30 bronze gears. Working together, they could calculate the positions of the sun and moon. The mechanism could even predict eclipses. One section included a calendar showing the dates of the Olympic Games. Such advanced technology seemed impossible for the ancient world, because machines this complex would not appear again in Europe for another 1,400 years. That is why some people claimed the mechanism had been built by aliens. But there is no evidence for that. The truth is far more remarkable. The Antikythera mechanism proves that the ancient Greeks were far more advanced than we once believed. And perhaps the real question is this: why did humanity forget this technology for so many centuries?